This next video shows you how to check your homework. So I'm logged in as Henry with my avatar, and if you click on this bit here, you've got your to-do list. And in your to-do list it has what's issued, there's a tab here, and what completed. So at the moment, issued, this is due on Monday the 14th. There's a test for Henry from his science class. And there's also due Tuesday the 15th is a test for a transform lesson. You should all have that one at least for now. Maybe your other teachers have set you some work now, but you should at least have this one. When you've said you've done something, okay, you tick it and then it would go into your completed area. But make sure you've actually done that, or that will disappear from your list. You could also go to have a look at my calendar. And instead of being a list, it gives you it as a calendar. And you can look at next week. So this is all saying I've got that test for Henry and test for transform lesson. And then it shows when they're actually due. So you can plan from your week. You can look this week, next week, if you've been asked to resubmit something or if something's overdue. If you've got quite a lot and you think, oh, I just want to know what my maths homework is, or my transform homework, you can do that, and then it just searches for those particular things. So that's how you look for your homework. You either go to to-do list or you go to my calendar. Okay, so good luck. Have a see how much homework you've got so far. When you get your test for transform, there's actually a task to do. So clicking on something tells you when it was set by the teacher and when it's due. This says this is just a test piece of homework to be done in class for the transform workshop. The aim is just to, I need to edit that, to get you to see how homework looks and what features you'll need to look at. Sometimes you'll be asked to hand in your homework in class, and sometimes you're asked to submit a file or type an answer straight into show my homework. Okay, and where it says this is complete homework online or complete homework in class. Okay, this homework will take approximately 15 minutes. To complete this homework, you need to type in your favourite food. You note there's a URL to help you, a web page. In this case, just an example to show you how your teacher could add a URL. You don't necessarily need to look at this. So it says to type in your favourite food. So that's the instructions. It says roughly how long it should take you, and that the teacher would like you to hand this homework in Show My Homework. And there might be resources, in which case this is a web page, or it could be a file to help you. Complete this homework online. So it says type in your favourite food. You could add an attachment if your teacher's asked you to do some work, but here it just says complete online. My favourite food is most definitely chocolate. And you can use the normal font things here, so you can change the font if you want to. Okay, you can change left or right, cut and paste things from somewhere else, insert a link. Okay, and then you would send your homework to the teacher or draft. So that's how to check your homework and then how to complete something. Your current submission is waiting a grade, and this is how you look to see your grades once it's been marked. Okay, so that's how you check for homework back in that to-do list.